Number 1. 1948 Chevy Street Rod. Price, $29,995. Located, Berlin, Wisconsin, this 1948 Chevy Street Rod is a sleek, custom-built classic that blends vintage styling with modern performance components, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want a dependable and attention-grabbing cruiser. The body remains the only original element, while the rest of the build features carefully selected upgrades designed to improve reliability, comfort, and drivability. Power comes from a Goodwrench 350 crate motor, known for its strong performance and durability. Paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car delivers smooth shifts and a responsive driving experience, whether on city streets or open highways. The Camaro front stub enhances handling and stability, giving the vehicle a more modern driving feel compared to traditional 1940s classics. This street rod is capable of cruising at 70 miles per hour all day while maintaining cool temperatures thanks to its functional air conditioning system, making it suitable for long drives and warm weather use. The seller mentions driving the vehicle daily to work, showing confidence in its reliability and overall mechanical condition. The paint presents well, and the car's clean, custom appearance draws attention without relying on excessive modifications. This 1948 Chevy Street Rod is offered for sale, trade, or barter, giving potential buyers various options to acquire it. Its combination of classic looks and modern performance makes it a versatile, enjoyable, and dependable street rod for collectors or first-time classic car owners. Number 2. 1934 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Price, $25,000. Located, Lake City, Florida, this 1934 Ford GT Coupe 2D is a standout custom hot rod built for enthusiasts who appreciate classic style combined with modernized power and drivability. Showing approximately 123,456 miles on the drivetrain, this three-window coupe features a sturdy fiberglass body mounted on an authentic 1932 Ford frame, delivering both vintage appeal and improved structural reliability. The exterior, finished in bright yellow, pairs perfectly with the sleek black interior, creating a bold, eye-catching profile that turns heads at any car meet or cruise night. Under the hood sits a strong and aggressive Chevy 383-stroker motor, well known for delivering rowdy performance, crisp throttle response, and a throaty exhaust note that perfectly matches the car's hot rod personality. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the car starts, runs, drives, and stops exactly as a well-built street rod should. Additional features include power windows, remote door poppers, and other modern conveniences that enhance everyday usability without taking away the classic character. This Ford is currently being offered on consignment, meaning the seller is listing it on behalf of the owner. Serious buyers will be connected directly if they wish to negotiate or finalize a deal. At $25,000 or best offer, this is an excellent opportunity to own a fun, turnkey hot rod that requires nothing but a new garage to call home. For those seeking a classic coupe with personality, strong performance, and impressive curb appeal, this 1934 Ford GT Coupe delivers exceptional value and driving enjoyment. Number 3. 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price, $52,500. Located, Navarre, Florida, this 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a beautifully crafted build in like-new condition, tailored for the buyer who values quality workmanship and modern upgrades paired with legendary 1932 Ford styling. Featuring a fiberglass body set atop a solid chassis, this coupe is powered by a potent SPF 347 engine paired with a smooth Ford AOD automatic transmission, offering both dependable cruising power and effortless highway performance. The suicide electric doors, shaved handles, shaved hinges, and clean exterior lines create a sleek, seamless look that enhances its classic hot rod profile. Equipped with vintage air and heat, electric windows, and a power trunk lid, this coupe blends comfort with convenience. The front suspension features a height stainless steel EFO setup, while the rear uses a strong 4-link system for excellent stability and smooth road manners. With extremely minimal use, described as not being driven enough to justify keeping, it remains exceptionally clean, well-maintained, and ready for its next owner. The seller notes that it was a bucket list purchase, now checked off, making this the perfect opportunity for someone seeking a high-quality 1932 coupe that requires no additional work. The vehicle is paid off and comes with a clean title, ensuring a straightforward ownership transfer, whether for weekend cruising, car shows, or simply the enjoyment of owning a top-tier classic street rod. This 1932 Ford three-window coupe delivers outstanding performance, craftsmanship, and long-term value. Number 4. 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silver Streak. Price, $3,500. Located, Livonia, Michigan. This 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Silver Streak is a solid project car for enthusiasts who appreciate early-era American classics with strong potential for restoration. It retains its original 239 CI straight-six engine paired with a high-dramatic 4-speed automatic transmission, offering a correct powertrain setup for collectors who value authenticity. The car currently runs, drives, and stops, making it a workable starting point for someone looking to restore, refine, or customize a classic at an affordable price. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, new fuel filter, and fresh spark plugs, providing a more reliable running condition. While the engine operates, the seller notes that a carburetor cleaning and new plug wires would help improve performance further. The brakes function, though the pedal feels soft, indicating that service or adjustment may be needed. Rust is present on the rockers, and the underbody was previously undercoat, which may have helped preserve certain areas over time. The vehicle comes with a clean green title, ensuring smooth transfer to the next owner. The seller is primarily open to trades, especially for square-body trucks, other classic vehicles, or motorcycles, though cash offers will also be considered. With its classic 1950 styling, distinctive silver streak design, and workable mechanical condition, this Pontiac Chieftain is perfect for hobbyists wanting a budget-friendly vintage project. Number 5. 1934 Ford the August 5th Sedan. Delivery price, $37,000. Location, Newark, Ohio. This rare all-steel 1934 Ford the 5th 8 Sedan delivery combines timeless Ford styling with reliable modern performance. With 60,000 miles, it remains well cared for and mechanically dependable. Finished in bold orange, the car carries strong street presence and classic proportions. Power comes from a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The Mustang front end improves steering and ride quality, making it suitable for both shows and regular cruising. The sedan delivery body style adds further desirability among collectors. The seller is also open to certain trades, including wrecker or rollback trucks. Number 6. 1934 Dodge Coupe. Price, $49,900. Location, Winchester, Ohio. This all-steel 1934 Dodge Coupe is a premium, well-built classic showcasing quality craftsmanship throughout. Powered by a 350 Chevy crate engine with a turbo automatic transmission, it offers strong performance and smooth driving. Equipped with a Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power front disc brakes, it delivers modern handling and road safety. The polished stainless fuel tank and mufflers complement the clean, show-quality undercarriage. Inside, custom upholstery, an overhead console with Kenwood stereo, matching trunk panels, door locks, and seatbelts create a refined cabin. Billet Specialties wheels with new BFG radials complete its stance. IT has passed the NSRA 23-point safety inspection and will appear at the NSRA Nationals in Louisville. Number 7. 1937 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $29,500. Location, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This 1937 Chevrolet Coupe presents a clean, well-maintained classic capturing the charm of late 1930s hot rod styling. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for both cruising and daily enjoyment. Power steering ensures smooth maneuvering, while front disc brakes provide improved stopping power. The vehicle is rated as used good, reflecting careful use and consistent upkeep. A great entry-level classic for enthusiasts wanting reliability and vintage appeal. Number 8. 1934 Ford Truck. Price, $26,500. Location, Cynthiana, Kentucky. This 1934 Ford truck is a classic old-school hot rod with strong traditional appeal. Finished in vibrant red with a white interior, it has unmistakable vintage character. Power comes from a 49 to 53 8BA flathead engine, paired with a 1939 Ford 3-speed toploader manual transmission for an authentic period-correct feel. A dropped front axle gives it classic hot rod stance, while the 8-inch Ford rear end with 2.79 gears ensures stable cruising. Drum brakes at all corners maintain its traditional mechanical setup. Recent upgrades include new brake pads and shocks. The seller is open to trades but not project vehicles. Number 9. 1934 Ford 3-window custom street rod. Price, $64,500. Located in Hope, Indiana, this custom 1934 Ford 3-window street rod stands as a true high-end build crafted with exceptional attention to detail. Designed for both show-quality presentation and powerful performance, it represents one of the finest examples of a professionally constructed street rod in today's market. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 cubic inch engine built by Warrior Racing Engines, featuring dual quad carburetors, a roller cam, aluminum heads, and MSD ignition. The engine produces an impressive 453 horsepower on the dyno, with only 200 miles since the build. The powertrain is paired to a 700R automatic transmission and supported by premium components including a Walker radiator, Heights polished tubular front suspension, Flaming River power rack and pinion steering, polished stainless brake lines, and Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Comfort and convenience are equally emphasized. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning that blows ice cold, along with a modern keyless entry system. Inside, the interior was professionally designed and executed by cutters. It features BMW leather, alligator skin inserts, wise guy seating, and German square weave carpeting, all finished with custom stitching to create a refined, show-ready cabin environment. With only 1,783 actual miles, this award-winning Ford has earned multiple honors, including the prestigious Gucci's DuPont Hot Hues Best Use of Color Award. Originally commissioned by a discerning collector, this offering marks the first time the vehicle has ever been made available for public sale. Virtual viewing and shipping coordination are offered for serious buyers. Located in Hope, Indiana, this 1934 Ford is an outstanding choice for collectors seeking unmatched craftsmanship, premium components, and top-tier show quality. Number 10. 1953 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Classic 3100. Price, $28,500. Located, Savannah, Missouri, this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 convertible custom is a beautifully built classic pickup that blends timeless styling with modern comfort upgrades, making it a highly desirable choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Powered by a 305 small block engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, the truck delivers smooth performance and reliable power for both cruising and daily driving. With only 17,000 miles on the build, the mechanical components remain in excellent condition, reflecting proper care and recent craftsmanship. The exterior showcases a deep burgundy finish that highlights the classic curves of the vintage 3100 design, while the gray interior has been refreshed with new leather upholstery for added comfort and visual appeal. The truck features newer tires, an upgraded Alpine sound system, and fully functioning gauges and lights, ensuring both convenience and safety. As a convertible custom build, it offers a unique open-top driving experience that sets it apart from most classic pickups. The truck runs and drives great, presenting strong reliability and impressive road presence. The paint is rated an 8 out of 10, showing that it remains attractive with only minimal flaws typical of a driven classic. Located just an hour north of Kansas City, this Chevrolet 3100 offers an excellent combination of vintage style, custom craftsmanship, and dependable performance, perfect for collectors seeking a standout classic truck with modern comforts. Number 11. 1936 Chevrolet Classic Coupe. Price, $26,500. Located, Omaha, Arkansas, this 1936 Chevrolet Classic Coupe is a beautifully customized vintage vehicle that blends traditional pre-war styling with upgraded performance features, resulting in a dependable and eye-catching cruiser. The chop top adds a dramatic and aggressive appearance, giving the car a sleek silhouette that immediately captures attention at shows or on the street. Powering this custom classic is a strong 383-stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, a popular combination known for delivering excellent power, smooth performance, and long-term reliability. Whether driving through town or cruising along the highway, this setup offers responsive acceleration and a satisfying rumble that enthusiasts appreciate. The exterior presents well with a vibrant yellow finish that enhances the coupe's curvy body lines and vintage charm. The interior, finished in brown, provides a warm contrast and a comfortable environment for extended drives. The seller describes the car as running and driving great, making it more than just a display piece. It is well suited for weekend outings, car events, or simply enjoying a relaxed drive on scenic roads. As a great cruiser vehicle, it delivers both style and performance without requiring extensive additional work. Offered at a reasonable price, this 1936 Chevrolet Coupe stands as a strong opportunity for collectors seeking a custom classic with reliable upgrades and an appealing appearance. Its balance of originality, comfort, and mechanical strength makes it a standout choice in today's classic car market. Number 12, 1938 Chevrolet Master, price $26,500. Located, Tahlequah, Oklahoma, this 1938 Chevrolet Master is a well-built classic designed for comfortable cruising and dependable performance, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want a vintage car that is ready to enjoy without extensive modification. Powered by a 350 engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission, the vehicle offers smooth shifting, strong reliability, and enough power to handle highway driving with ease. Built specifically for cruising, this combination ensures a relaxed driving experience, whether navigating city streets or taking longer weekend trips. The car is equipped with air conditioning that works well, providing comfort during warm weather drives. Additional convenience features include power windows, power brakes, and electric fans, showing that modern amenities have been carefully integrated into this vintage body. The radio also works properly, adding to the enjoyable driving environment. The white exterior paint contrasts nicely with the blue interior, creating a fresh and appealing classic look. With a clean title and no significant damage or mechanical problems reported, the car presents itself as a strong and reliable option in the pre-war classic market. Every feature is functional, making this Chevrolet Master a turnkey choice for buyers seeking a ready-to-drive vintage cruiser with tasteful upgrades, perfect for car shows, casual driving, or long-distance cruising. This classic delivers a blend of timeless style and modern comfort that is difficult to find.